from dangerous situations. How will you act in an emergency? Getting together with your friends to play some Jenga? It seems pretty safe. Hey! Who destroyed the tower? But you can't blame the players. Things are even more serious. It's an earthquake! Run for your life! Hurry! We need to hide, but where? Look, what are they doing? You can climb under a table. Stand in the doorway? That's a safe option. You can also climb under the bed. Choose strong furniture. Or curl up in a kitchen cabinet. And remember, don't panic. Could watching TV end in disaster? Yes, if there's a sudden fire in the house. First thing to do is get on the floor. And then protect your lungs from the smoke. To do that, you have to cover your nose and mouth with something thick. Like a cup from a bra. Now you can try to get out of the house. Clean air! Finally! Things are getting worse. I think it's a hurricane. Hurry up! Take cover! Just make sure you have any important documents with you. As well as water and food. The best place to hide is in the basement. Okay, everybody's safe. Oof, it's so chilly in this bunker. Candace finds some candles. They'll come in handy for sure. Just light the candles and put them in the box. And cover them with a cashpo. It's like a lamp. Now we are cozy in here, and waiting out the storm is going to be nice and easy. All's well that ends well. Now we can relax and have a quiet chat. Hey! Here's Barbara. Hello, everybody! Want to go for a walk? Why not? The hurricane's long gone. But here's the problem. The door's stuck. It won't open. Okay, don't panic. Candace has an idea how to open the door without a key. Take a credit card and scissors. Cut a triangle. Insert the card between the door and the hinge. Lift the latch bolt and voila! The door is open! But there may be more danger outside. Candace ran into a mugger who likes her purse. It's a good thing she knows self-defense techniques. First, she hits his face with her purse. And then, kick him where it hurts. He passed out. You can run. I wonder how Barbara will handle a mugger. She's got nothing in her hands. But she's got high heels on her feet. First, step on the bad guy's shoe with all your strength. Ouch! Yeah, that hurts. Now, grab his ears and attack his nose with your fingers. With your long fingernails. They make a good weapon. And when the thief wakes up again, Barbara will be long gone. A walk far from the city could be dangerous too. Especially if you disturb a beehive. Oops! Looks like you are in trouble. Wild bees don't like unexpected guests. Ah! You can't run away from bees that easily. The best place to hide is in the water. Underwater, actually. Here is something that'll help. If you don't have a snorkeling mask, you can use a straw. It looks weird from the side. Huh? But Charlie knows what he's doing. Barbara doesn't seem to be a good swimmer. I'm drowning! Help! Candace is trying to get help. Hey! Somebody! Help! Finally, there's a hero who's ready to save Barbara. He keeps his head above water and pulls Barbara out. Poor thing! She is unconscious. first thing to do is turn the girl onto her side. And now on her back again. Now do CPR. Pinch her nose with your fingers and blow air into her mouth. Yay! She's awake! Barbara's lucky to have such a good friend. Remember what to do in a situation like this. And please, be careful when you go swimming. Still, it's nice to spend time by the sea. Unfortunately, you ran out of drinking water. You are so thirsty, but you can't drink from the sea. Why not? Here's a life hack for how to desalinate seawater. You are going to need an empty container. Fill it with seawater first. Approximately halfway. Now put a small bowl at the bottom and a glass in it. Cover the structure with a plastic bag. Put a rock in the middle. All you need to do now is be patient. The process is starting. There is condensation collecting on the bag and flowing into the glass. Well, here you go. You can drink the water. Wow, it's fresh! That's great! Candace, we have a problem! From the look on Charlie's face, something really terrible happened. Of course, Barbara's in trouble again. This time, a leg injury. It might even be broken. You need to take immediate action. You have got a beach umbrella. What if we apply a splint made out of its handle? That's a great idea! Take 2 metal tubes. Apply them to the leg. Use a shoelace to secure it. Wrap the leg and tie it. Oh, that hurts! But the main thing is, the friends didn't lose time. Now that the splint is on, we can call an ambulance. Anything can happen outdoors. Barbara's life is full of adventures. Look, she is getting crushed by a huge branch. She can't get out, no matter how hard she tries. She needs to wait for help. These people are the hope for salvation. Did you hear a noise? I did. Let's go see. Oh no, there has been a tree attack. You have got to be smart and careful in this situation. The tree's pretty heavy. You can't move it that easily. You have to look for sticks. There is definitely no problem with that in the woods. Using a strong stick as a lever, lift the heavy branch and release the victim. I think she's fine now. It was unpleasant, but she's okay. If you like hiking, you have got to learn some skills. Like how to boil water. You'll need tin cans. Connect them like this after you cut out the bottoms. Now let's put some kindling inside and set fire to it. Now you have a mini stove for making tea. Put a can of water on top. Now just wait for it to boil. Things have gone way too far. Candace has been kidnapped. Kidnapping is no joke. Are you going to sit in handcuffs and wait? No way! The first thing to do is get your hands to the front, just like that, over your legs. Yay! That's a great first step. Now let's try to get rid of the cuffs. What can you use for that? Right, your bra underwire. It'll do a great job as a lockpick. Sweet freedom! Wait, where did she go? While the kidnapper is confused, you can disarm her. Sophie's making something delicious. Smells good. She got really hungry. How about a snack? Like a nectarine? Oh, she choked. Here's what to do in that situation. Place your arms around her waist, just below her solar plexus, and shake her a little like this. The piece flies out of her mouth. You saved me! But not all situations get solved so easily. What if you get stuck in a cave-in? Panic won't help you. You need to find a way out of this difficult situation. For first responders to hear you, try knocking on the radiator. Remember the SOS signal. 3 short knocks, then 3 long ones, then 3 short again. Help is on the way. Have you ever been in an emergency situation? Hopefully not. But just in case, remember these life hacks. By the way, which one surprised you the most? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new videos with useful life hacks from Troom Select.